Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by the channel. Today we have a Starlink satellite antenna installation. Here we are with the wire here routed down from the Starlink satellite. Nice and neatly routed and tacked. Hardly noticeable. Tucked in tight there into the shingles as we got a little lower to where the downspout for the gutter is here. We tacked the wire behind the downspout for the ground. And there's a cold water pipe there that we use for a grounding source for the satellite dish. A little close up there with a ground clamp. And we'll take you back up top here where you can see where we nicely, neatly routed the satellite data signal wire. Nice and clean, tacked once again behind the downspout for the gutter. Nice clean work. As we got down to the bottom here, I chose to run the wire below the shingles across the deck and then up and into my split box where I have another ground for the data wire. And there we go.